Hello, this is BJ from Hearns, and today I'm going to be talking about this hobby working box, which we just got in from Godhands. So it's a brand new item. It's made out of very tough PET material. It's nicely flat packed, and the whole idea is once it's all built, you put your hands in it, and it'll stop all the dust from going all over the place. Also stop little loose bits from your clipping from bouncing around, ending up on the floor, and generally just to make everything a lot neater on your workbench. Okay, so I'm going to put this together and let's see what it's like. So let's just slide this one over here. Got one over here, which we'll just open up. Okay, so just undo the base here. I'll pull out all the bits. So it doesn't take a lot of assembly. Alright, so we've got here, let's go through all the bits. Okay, so we've got a manual here. Okay, so there's the front description here. It's got the manual at the back, which we'll be using to help us build it. We've got the Fresnel magnifying glass, which you can attach onto the front if you like. It's an optional bit. And then we've got the main part here. There's a bit of vinyl tubing, which we'll put around the holes later so it doesn't dig into your arms. Goes over there. And there's your main box here. So we'll just unfold it like so. So this bit here is the dust catcher. It goes there. Right, so just unfold here and here. I guess this is just like putting together those old shirt boxes. So this, like so, you sort of see the box coming together. Now this has already got the areas to fold marked in, so it's pretty easy. Just got to fold back over there. Alright, so we've got the basic shape coming along here. Alright, so base fit here. Let's fold. So these little tabs that hold it in place. Fold this. Right, so this is the angled part. This is going to be on the front. Alright, so this is the front here. This is the base here. Alright, so this is the bottom. So I was confusing the bottom with the side. Okay, so just like this. Okay. Okay. Oops. Tabs. There. Let's got it. Alright, so he's got the front. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Okay, so there you go. So it's just a matter of getting all the panels the right way around so they're self-supporting, because I guess PET, it is pretty thin, so it keeps its clarity. But once you've got them all interlocked, it's fairly sturdy. Okay, so we've still got the hole here. So that's going to be for the dust tray, so I just put the dust tray together here. So again, it's just folding all these bits and pieces. Just making a cardboard box, really. So like so. That. These bits just go into here. So locking tabs, pushed in. Right. Okay, and that's the dust collection tray. And this just slide into here. Okay, and that's a finished box pretty much. So the things I've dropped here, it's just a vinyl. Okay, it's vinyl tube that's been split down the center like so. And this is just going to go around these arm holes here, just so you don't cut yourself. You don't have to put them on, but if you're doing a lot of work, then it's definitely going to help. Because you want to rest your arm on something. Okay. Dexterous and get these on. Spread it around a bit. Alright, almost there. It needs a little bit more adjustment, and then this will be in. Okay. Alright, so we've got one side done. Let's quickly do the other side. You want to take your time doing this just to make sure it all goes down properly. Okay, getting close. Okay, that's in. Okay, that's your completed box. Now you've got an optional Fresnel magnifying glass. They're really thin, as you can see. Sounds like a little sheet of plastic, so it doesn't get in the way. You might notice there, that's already changing magnification. Okay, so either way, they give you a couple of bits of clear tape, but you can use any tape. And this is just designed so you can put it at any point you like on the working area. So let's just quickly pull these off and stick it on. We'll see what it looks like. Put it on that side. This side. Alright, so let's just see if we stick it roughly in the middle. Like that. And I guess if I put my hand in here, you'll probably get an idea of how it's magnifying. Okay, and so to use this, so this is a viewing side here. You simply go like so, you put your hands inside, and you do your work like that. So for instance, if I had, let's get this bit here, get some cutters, and just see what I'm doing here. Let's chop the corner off, like so. That's probably not a great example because these are really sharp cutters and bits aren't going to go flying. I don't know if we've got it. Let's try these ones to see if these go flying. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Just as a rough idea, as you can see, the bits going. Oh, don't Probably didn't work so well. Right. Well, I guess it still gives you an idea that as you're cutting stuff, all the offcuts, all your rubbish just ends up in this tray. And you can imagine doing E-clips on an RC car as well. They'll just bounce like that. Okay, like so. I guess once you've done that, you can see that all the bits are being caught inside. And then when you're ready, just grab the tray here, just pull it out, and you can just empty all that stuff in the bin. So imagine sanding bits, you have all the dust caught in here. If you didn't have one of these, it would be all over the place. So there you go. And then once you're cleaned up, slide this back. And there you go, that's your working box. So this is the Hobby Working Box by Godhand. It would definitely help make your workspace much cleaner.